system, which is relative polar coordinate system. Here, the first point we are going to consider command is line. I will consider first point as select any arbitrary point and click on the first button of the mouse. So when you say relative polar coordinate system, relative means at the rate, polar means angle. So the syntax is at the rate distance less than angle. So here always the angle is measured with respect to the horizontal and always in counterclockwise direction as positive and clockwise as negative. So here at the rate 200 less than 0. So here it is, since we are given just 200 less than 0, so it says undo. Again at the rate 200 less than 0. Now we want to move along the direction of the OCS y-axis. Again the angle is measured with reference to the horizontal in counterclockwise direction as positive. So we're going to get less than 90. So here at the rate 200 less than 90, we'll get a vertical line. Again we are moving in a direction opposite to the direction of the OCS x-axis, but always with reference to the horizontal. So it is in counterclockwise direction is positive. If it is rotating in clockwise, then it should be negative. So here I will say at the rate 200 less than 180, we have this option wherein we can say close, or we can give at the rate 200 less than minus 90 because it is in clockwise direction. If you want to measure with reference to the horizontal in counterclockwise direction, then this is the direction of rotation, measuring the angle. It will be 270 degree. So at the rate 200 less than 270 degree or minus 90. So in the clockwise direction. Once you complete this sketch, again you say null return so that it will going to cancel the command. Now to erase this, I will say erase select objects all and delete this. Now we will go to the one more type of coordinate, shape wherein we are going to create a rectangle. Again using the relative polar. Command is line, specify first point, select arbitrary point on the screen, and then you are moving in the direction along the direction of the OCS x-axis. So obviously that point will going to be, that angle will be 0. So to do that, again at the rate 200 less than 0. Now we are moving in the direction along the OCS y direction. Then with reference to the horizontal, the angle measured in counterclockwise direction as positive. So here at the rate 100 less than 90. Again from here at the rate 100 less than 180, at the rate 100 less than 180, at the rate 100 or 200 less than 180. Now you can say the close option. So this is how you can create a square by using the relative polar coordinate system. Now we are going to create the same thing with reference to the relative polar by using 200 by 100 rectangle. So to do that, command is line, select some point on the screen. So now we are moving at the rate, the position of the new point with reference to the previous point at the rate 200 less than 0. Then again at the rate, the position of the new point with reference to the previous point, that is this vertical line, it will be at the rate, since we want a rectangle, at the rate 100 less than 90 because it is in counterclockwise direction as positive. Again at the rate 200 less than, since you are moving in the opposite direction of the OCS x-axis, will be, then the angle is measured in counterclockwise direction as positive and clockwise as negative. I will say at the rate 200 less than 180 or minus 180. And now you have this option. You have the close option. You just type C. So what it does is not only closes the sketch, but also comes out of the command prompt. So this is how we can create a rectangle by using the relative polar coordinate system. So the advantage being here, either we can write the horizontal line or the vertical line. The horizontal line and the vertical line can be drawn by using absolute, by using relative, and also by using relative polar. To erase this, command E, select objects, all, enter. Now we will going to create one more drawing wherein we want to create a pentagon by using the relative polar coordinate system. So command is line. I will select some arbitrary point on the screen by clicking on the first button of the mouse. Then what is the distance? 100 less than angle. So here the syntax is at the rate distance less than angle. So at the rate 200 less than 0. Again the pentagon at the rate 360 divided by n, 360 divided by 5. The sum of the exterior angle of the polygon will be 360. Pentagon means 5, 360 by 5 will be equal to 72 in the exterior angle at the rate. So again the distance what it has given is 100. So at the rate 100 less than 72 degree. At the rate 100 less than 72 degree. So here, because we in the first case we are given 200, so at the rate 100 less than 0. Then again at the rate 100 less than 72. Then again at the rate 100 less than 144. 72 plus 72 is 144. Again always the angle is measured with reference to the horizontal in the counterclockwise direction as positive. Again at the rate 100 less than 144 plus 72 is 216. And instead of calculating the value, you just say close. So this is not only closes the sketch but also comes out of the command prompt. To remove this entity, command is erase, select objects, I will say all, enter. So this is how you will be able to create the pentagon by using the relative polar coordinate system. Now we have the one more, which is the hexagon. So to do that, command is line. Specify first point. Again you just click on the first button of the mouse by selecting arbitrary point, and from there you want 100 mm. So at the rate 100 less than 0. Again at the rate 100 less than, so 360 by 6 means 60 degrees. At the rate 100 less than 60, the angle measured is in counterclockwise direction as positive and clockwise as negative. So again at the rate, the syntax is distance and angle. So the distance is 100 less than angle 60 plus 60. It becomes 120. So here you're going to get 120. Again at the rate 120 plus 60, it is 180. So 100 less than 180. Now you are moving in the opposite direction of the UCS y-axis or UCS x-axis. Again at the rate 100 less than. So here 180 plus 60 is 240. So you're going to get 240. Now we have to close to the starting point. I will say C. So not only closes but also comes out of the command prompt. So this is how you will be able to create the hexagon, and we can remove by using the erase command.